All right. Amsteel. This is a Amsteel daisy chain slash trucker's hitch slash with a Swabish hitch, whatever the hell it is. That's what I use. Stock cam straps. So let's see what these weigh. What's the weight on these? What is the weight difference? Let's see. So I have stock cam strap hanging, not touching the floor. I have 3 ounces. Can you see that? Yeah, 3 ounces. All right. .118 of an ounce is this. I think it's 5 or 3/16. I'm not sure. What's your thoughts on that? Let me know in the comments.